I guess, hey, why not do a review? This is the review on the JJRC H8D drone. I give it a 10 out of 10. It is extremely fun. It's my first drone I ever bought. And as you can see, it can go pretty far. And you can go really high. In fact, I'll show you guys. A lot of trees right here, so. It did have a camera on it at one point. Uh-oh, we're hitting some wind. It's really getting messed up. But yeah, at one point it had a camera, but the camera got broke. Yeah, that wind is really strong up high. You see, we're on a ridge, so down below the wind's not too bad. I don't know if you can hear the wind or not. Alright, I guess we're done. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this helps you with the liquid image. I think this is liquid image torque.